Okay, it's Mark here with your Affiliate Millionaire Journey. And like I said yesterday, I was going to do this review of Stoodaio, which is this new software from Joshua Zamora. And so yeah, let's jump right into it. So as you can see here, I'm in the members area. I've created one template video, so I'm not super familiar with it, but I think I can give you enough of an idea about the product. Once you join, there's tutorials here, which you can go through, and you can go through fairly quickly just to get through to learn how to use the tool. It's actually pretty straightforward to use, and then you can look at the videos that you've created already and ones that you've published. If you get some of the upsells, you have agency features. And then you can store things in folders as well. And they have a frequently asked questions section. There. Okay, so quickly now let's go create a video. One of the things that you can do is from a script, and it's interesting when I go here, you'll see something, but you can also do from audio, and this is one of the upsells, but we'll talk about that in a minute. So if I go from script, you can actually just copy and paste a script in here, or if you don't have one, you can use the AI writer, or you can find one and then use the AI rewriter. Now these two pieces of AI are really good. So I'm just going to do something here. And let's do stop dog barking. So I'm going to say let's do a 100-word article for that, or so, say 130 or 150 or whatever. One of the nice things I like about this is it's not just a slider bar. You can actually just type in what you want directly. There, 100. Yeah, so that's handy. You can choose the language that you want it in, and watch this. So it does cost credits, and it is a credit-based system, which makes sense because it's software that takes a lot of resources behind the scenes. And it doesn't take too long to do a little article. You can do up to 800 words, and as you'll see, this feature alone will replace any type of external writing that you need to have done. This is better than some articles I bought from real writers. So as you can see here, I'll just expand it a little bit there for you. Stop dog barking is what I put in, right? A dog barking at night can be very irritating, especially if it's a neighbor's dog or if you're trying to sleep. In fact, it can be so annoying that you may actually want to get rid of your dog. However, before you do anything drastic, there are some things that you can try first to see if it helps reduce the noise. And the whole thing, and that's actually probably more than 100 words as well, but the whole thing is really well written. So that's really impressive. And really, this feature alone is worth the price of the front end product. So because you can get 10 or 25 credits with your purchase of the front end. And using one credit here, again, I think the front end product's like 60 bucks or something like that. So that's basically buying 2 articles of this quality, or maybe even 1. So anyway, we'll just use this one. And you can add things, so you can edit the script afterwards. So if you were doing a call to action type thing, let's say you had a get your free dog training kit here. I don't actually have this domain, but this is just an example. Yes, dog training kit.com, free gift. So you can add that in to it to get yours, right? And then you can use the rewriter, and again, it's very powerful as well, and it will actually summarize. In most cases, it will summarize what you have already, but we won't do that for now. We'll just jump right into submitting the script. And it will just take a minute to do that. While we're waiting for that, I'll talk to you briefly about the upsells, which are totally complementary to it. So the base product, you get this tool set. Still going, okay. You get the tool set, which includes the AI rewriter, the AI writer, the AI video creation, which you're about to see. It includes syndication. It includes storage and hosting. So it really gives you everything you need for creating videos. Yeah, still going. Okay. Oh, just came back. Okay. And so look at this is what it created. Dog barking at night can be very irritating. Okay, that's our stuff. Now, with this, you can rearrange where you want the stuff to show up. You can change the colors and things like that. And you can make it visible or not visible. You can underline or not. Dog barking, underline, right? So you can do all the fancy things there with the scene itself. And this is actually a lot easier to use than other products that I've seen. So now I think I'm expanded in too much. Yeah, there we go. So now I can actually see some other options. Let's go look at dog barking. Where are you getting all of the videos, the images, and the music library is all from Storyblocks. So Joshua said in one of the videos that they pay Storyblocks $40,000 a year to get the best, the most features and the best quality stuff. So yeah, and there's I guess there's not really one for dog barking per se. Maybe we'll just have to do an image. We'll just give that a second to come back. There's no dog barking one. Okay, well, we'll keep that one. But anyway, as we go through, you can see, oh, here's some more. I guess I just didn't wait long enough. I jumped to the next scene. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so there's all kinds of dog ones here. And it looks like there's one here. Oh yeah, there we go. And so again, you can choose whichever one you want. You can remove the current one and add another one in, stuff like that. And I think this one jumps around. What does he do? What do we get for this one? Yeah, okay, so another one. And again, if it's not totally relevant, you can always search for other ones, and there's lots there. And so then what this has done is it's taken that script and it's created a full video with video clips, right? And yeah, so it's done it in just a few seconds. And so now we can jump over to the next step. So maybe we'll save this. We'll do the next step. This is where we can add in the audio. So you can do your own narration. You can do no narration at all. And you can do auto narration. And this is another really great feature of this product is it has so many languages. And this blows away anything else I've seen. And some of the stuff on here is really cool. Like you can do English, but you can do a New Zealand inflection English. You can do a U.S. inflection English. You can. I think there was Canadian here somewhere. I don't see it now. French Canadian. No, maybe not. Okay, Hong Kong English. So anyway, let's just choose Amber to do this one. We'll create we can do it play samples, but in the interest of keeping this going, we'll just get that created. So now I'll just go back to the stuff you can get in the upsells as well. So as I said earlier, it's a credit-based system. You get, I think there's 10 or 25 credits that you get with the base one. And then you have an option to get monthly credits, and it locks in, I think, a triple the credit bonus that you can get for $67 a month. You'll be using probably 1 to 3 credits per video. You can do one for the writing. If you rewrite, that's another one. If you create a video, that's another one. So potentially 3 credits per video. So that you could use up to 10 or 25 fairly quickly, depending on how many videos you're going to create, and then you could lock in more of them at a good rate. And then if you are doing videos for other people, other companies, that's what OTO2 is really about, is giving you ability to manage that. So give you ability to share a demo video, and then have people buy it right from the page and stuff like that. So, okay, now we're here, and we're just going to look at the music. That's a little bit loud. Let's jump that down a little bit. It's still pretty loud. Let's see if there's any dog music. I love my dog. There, we'll go that one. And we will change the volume down a little bit. And apply. Oh, I didn't click apply last time. That's what the problem was. I mentioned I haven't used it very much. So let's see what we get here.
A dog barking at night can be very irritating, especially if it's a neighbor's.
Yeah, so that's still a little bit loud, but let's go down to 11. And let's see.
A dog barking at
There,
night
that's
can
better.
be very irritating.
So we got some music, we've got our video, and now we're finished. So then we can host it, we can download it, or whatever. So let's just go host. And as that's going through there, again, I'll just jump back to the other upsells. So again, and then if you go with white labeling, there's an option for that, where you can add your own branding to the video and any aspect of it. And that's $297 one time. Oh yeah, the agency piece was $97. And then the final piece, which I kind of hinted at earlier, was the voice option. So this is where you could, take a podcast and build a video from it. So it'll take the video, it'll take the podcast, it'll pull out the words, it'll create the video from that, and that's just $67. So not too much money to go into this product, and really, like I said before, oh, this didn't start yet. Like I said before, the even just the rewriting or the writing of the articles is worth the price of, I mean, even all of the upsells combined, because quality articles cost a bit of money to have prepared. But this is creating articles, it's rewriting articles, it's creating the videos, and it's giving you agency features and stuff like that. So it's really a no-brainer. It's an awesome deal. And I guess the only con I really have with it is the credit system. But again, like I said before, that's kind of expected for this software as a service things, because they have high expenses for running the business. And again, he's giving you a deal on getting a good amount of credits, so that you can do as many videos as you really want. And I think you can buy more as well as you need them. Yeah, so hopefully this is going to render in just a minute. I'm just going to pause the video so we're just not sitting here waiting for this to render, and I'll be back when it's done. So it's finished rendering, and now it's encoding, so this will take a little bit of time too. So while it's doing that, maybe what I'll do is just talk to you briefly about what my bonus is for this. So this is going to be massive for any affiliate millionaire style landing pages, right? You can put these videos and even the advertising for it too, and not just affiliate millionaire style, but specifically for that stuff, because I have a good bonus for that product. So yeah, what this is going to do for affiliates is massive. So from an affiliate millionaire standpoint, my bonus is building the landing pages, including the quiz landers in GrooveFunnels. Which saves you $1,164 a year from having to get a subscription to ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or something like that. And now with Stoodaio, I will build these landers with video for you. And this is for both the 5 golden campaigns and the campaign of the month upsells with Affiliate Millionaire. So if you get Stoodaio or Affiliate Millionaire from my link, you will get those awesome bonuses. And so those links are going to be down below this video. So I'm just going to pause it while this renders again, or encodes again. And so just to show you that a little bit, here I am on my affiliatemillionairebonus.com website with best affiliate millionaire bonus ever, where I talk about this from an affiliate millionaire standpoint. Yeah, this is going to save you the $11.64 per year, which is $97 per month. Because when people asked Thomas, do I need any other tools or software, he did answer, you don't need any additional software to study the course, but you will need to create landing pages, right? And the easiest way of doing that is using point and click editor like ClickFunnels, PageWiz, or Lead Pages, or Convertri. But again, those things cost like $97 a month. So my offer is to build those for you in GrooveFunnels, which you can get a free account for, and you can get that from my link as well. I'll put that link in the under this video as well. Let's just jump back here. It's still going, so just give it a. Okay, so there we go. That took a little longer than I thought it would. It's finishing now, and now I'm just returning to the page. Okay, here we go. We're back, and as we can see, the video is here now. So you can see it's never been played, and no one's seen it yet. And so I'll just do a quick play of it here.
A dog barking at night can be very irritating, especially if it's a neighbor's dog or if you're trying to sleep. In fact, it can be so annoying that you
I'll just jump forward a little bit here. Yeah.
methods.
So it looks
But
great.
it may also allow you to control the dog's movement.
So anyway, so that's how to create a video with, just 3 words. So anyway, again, those links are down below if you're interested in getting Stoodaio and my bonuses. So thanks very much for your time today, and have a great day.